Hi friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. As of now, I'm going to show how to make your Mac's cursor bigger. In macOS, Apple allows you to easily increase the size of the mouse or trackpad cursor on the screen, which is great if you find it difficult to keep track of. If you are having a hard time working out when the cursor on your Mac screen moves or changes to an intersection point, crosshair, hand, or other shape, it's worth making it bigger. That all being said, it's time to learn how to make your Mac's cursor bigger the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, open the System Preferences app on your Mac. Alternately, you can click on the Apple menu that is located at the top left corner of the screen and choose System Preferences in the drop-down menu. After that, click the Accessibility Preference pane. In the side column under Region, click Display. Then click the Pointer tab in the window of Options. Then drag the slider labeled Pointer Size further to the right of the scale to make the cursor bigger. You should see the change take effect immediately. It's worth pointing out that there is also an option in the same pane called Shake Mouse Pointer to locate, which causes the cursor to grow bigger for a short while when you shake it from side to side on the screen, making it easier to see where it is. If you wish, you can also customize the pointer by using the color swatches to further change its appearance. Of course, if you ever want to make the cursor look smaller, all you have to do is follow the same steps and then drag the slider towards the left and you are pretty much done. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.